Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the multiple choice questions in quantitative aptitude. These multiple choice questions are very useful in competitive exams. Let us see some of the questions in number systems. In this, let us see the first question here. Here, all the problems are based on the introduction as given in the previous videos. Here is the first one, that is, what is the place value of 5 in 3254710? In the previous videos, we have discussed about place values and face values. According to that, here place value of 5 is nothing but, here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. And here 5 is present in the 10,000 place, and we can write it as 5 into 10,000. So the place value of 5 is 50,000. That is C. 50,000 is the answer. And let us see next one, that is the sum of place values of 3 in given number 503535. Here in the given number we have found that 2 3s are there and in different places. So we have to do the sum of the place values. These 3 place value is ones, tens. Tens is nothing but 3 into 10, that equals to 30. And another 3 is hundreds, thousands. It is in the place of 1000. So its value is 3 into 1000, 3000. And the sum of these two is 3000 plus 30. That equals to 3030. And the answer is again C. 3030 is the answer. And the next one. Here is sum of greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers is. We know that the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers, and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and largest 5-digit number is 9,999, and the sum of these two is 1,09,999. That is, answer is C. And the next one is, if P and Q are two positive integers such that PQ equal to 64, and here which of the following cannot be the value of P plus Q? Now here given that PQ is the 64, that is the product of two numbers is 64, and we have 64 we will get from 8 into 8, 16 into 4, 32 into 2 and 64 into 1. We have 4 choices, and from this let us check P plus Q. Here if it is P and Q, 8 plus 8 is 16. Here already 16 is there. And again 16 plus 4, that is 20. 20 is also there. And here 32 plus 2, 34. And here 34 is not there. And 64 plus 1 is 65. It is also there. And the other number, remaining number is the answer, that is C. 35 is not the value of P plus Q, and this is the answer. And now let us see the next question, that is the least prime number. As we already learned about prime numbers list, and the least prime number is nothing but 2, because 2 is the least prime number. And now let us see next one, that is now addition problems. Here 1234 plus 2345 minus 3456 plus 4565. It is the question, and here this addition or subtraction, whatever it may be, we should do within the seconds and very fastly. It is nothing but speed maths. For doing the speed maths, we should have some of the tricks. And now to do fastly, let us see here. Here we have 4 options, that is 4 numbers. And now in order to doing this problem, instead of doing very large process, it may take some time. So let us check very easy process, that is here last digits of the given numbers, that is here 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, and 16 minus 6 10. 10 we have, and the last digit we will get is 0. In the options we will check where is zeros. For every option we have zeros. Now we should check the second digit of the numbers. That is, here we have already 1 is carry and 1 is added. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14, and again 14 minus 5 is 9, and the third digit of the required number is 9. Here where, in which option we have 9? In D and A we have second digit as 9, and now this B and C is eliminated and we have only A and D. And now let us see third digit addition, that is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, and 10 minus 4 6. Here in this digit we have no carry, just 9 we get. So 6 is the third digit answer. Here in A we have 5 and in D we have 6. So here D is the answer. In this process we can do additions or subtractions or multiplications by using elimination process in multiple choice questions. And now let us see the next question, that is 38649 minus 1624 minus 4483. And this problem also we can do by elimination process. That is, here we have 9, here 2 minuses are there, so we can do it. 38649 minus should be take common, and 1624 plus 4483, and this is the problem. And now let us do the elimination process. Firstly, here is 9 and these 2 should be added, that is first digit addition. 4 plus 3 is 7, here is 7, and here 9. 9 minus 7 2. Here we have 2 in B, C and D. A is eliminated, and in the second digit procedure, here we have 4 minus, here 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is nothing but 10. Here 1 is the carry and 1 is added to this previous number, and here finally we have second digit as 0, and here 4 we have. 4 minus 0 is 4, and the second digit is 4 should be there. Here the second digit 4 is not there in any of the number. Here second digit is compulsory 4. Again you should check and declare it, that is if it is not there, that is answer is none. And this is about the elimination of options. And now let us see next one. Here 10,531 plus 4813 minus 728 equals to question mark into 87. Here we should find the missing number here. This also can be done by elimination process. Here we have 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 minus 8 is, there we will get 4 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. So we should take borrow, and there we will get 14 minus 8 is 6. Question mark into 87. Here we have 6 first one, and here in this also we should get 6. In the 7th multiplication, for which number we will get unit place as 6, we should check in the given options. Here for 172, 7 2s are 14, unit place is 4, 7 6s are 42, unit place is 2, and for this 7 2s are 14, again unit place is 4, and for this 7 8s are 56, and here we are getting 56 in the first option. So the answer is A equals to 68, and here the required number is 168. This is the elimination process. And now let us see next one, that is what is 394 times of 113. Here 394 times of 113 is nothing but 394 into 113, and this multiplication we cannot do by elimination process because the options are not suitable for the elimination process, and now it can be done by speed multiplication process. The speed multiplication as already done in the previous videos. I will give the description link. Once you check in the description for link, and now we can do this by speed multiplication, that is 394 and 113. Here it is the 3-digit multiplication. Now it can be done by first 4 3s are 12, 1 is carry and 2 is here, and the next one is 9 3s are 27 plus 4 into 1, 27 plus 4 is 31, and here 1 is carry, 31 plus 1 32, 3 is carry, 2 is here, and now third step, that is 3 3s are 9 plus 4 1s are 4, 9 plus 4 13 plus 9 1s are 9, 13 plus 9 22, and here 3 is carry, 22 plus 3 is 25, 2 is carry, and here we have 522. With this only we can check in the options, that is 522 is in B, so the option is B. You need not do all the multiplication, and the answer is here. And this is about the speed multiplication. And now let us see another one. Next question, that is 136 into 12 into 8. Here 12 into 8 is nothing but 96, and now 136 into 96. These also can be done by speed multiplication, that is 136 and 96. Here 0, and now 6 6 are 36. First step, and second step 3 6 are 18 plus 9 6 are 54. 18 plus 54 is 72. Here 7 is carry and 5 is here. Here we have 56. Now once check in the options, either 56 is there or not. 66, 46, 64 and 66. Here 56 is not there. So the option is E, that is none. And the option required for the given multiplication is not there in the given options. And this is about the one of the question. And now let us see the next question, that is the product of 82540027 and 43253. Here it is a long product and we will do it by elimination process. That is, here in the given option we have 4 options. First let us do unit digit, that is 7 into 3 is 21. Here in the options we have the unit place is 1, that is simply we get the answer, that is A. But if we have more than 1 unit place digits, same more than 1, then it will also, that is elimination process will also take long time. So we can do it by speed multiplication. And this is the answer. Now let us see the next question, that is 72519 into 9999. This multiplication by elimination process is not possible because we have 9 into 9 is 81 and unit place is 1. Here for 4 options we have unit place is 1. So we can do it by another process, that is 72519 into 9999 can be written as 10,000 minus 1. Here A into B minus C. It can be written as A into B minus A into C. And when we do this subtraction, we will get 72511741, and this is the answer. Option A is the answer for this question. And now let us see next question. Here the next question, that is 1904 into 1904. It can be written as 1904 whole square. For easy process, we can be written this 1904 as 2000 minus 6 whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Now the formula for a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. From this formula we can do this problem, that is 2000 whole square is nothing but here 6 square is 36 and 2 into 6 12. 12 into 2000 24,000, and from this we will get the answer 3625216, and C is the option C is the answer for this question. And now let us see next one. And now let us see the next question, that is 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94. It is in the form of a square minus b square, that is 106 whole square minus 94 whole square. We know that the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, that is 106 plus 94 into 106 minus 94. For this we will get 106 plus 94 is 200 and 106 minus 94 is 12. That is 12 into 200 is 2400. And now the answer is option A. 2400 is the answer. Now let us see the 15th question, that is 8796 into 223 plus 8796 into 77. That is, it is in the form of A into B plus A into C. It can be written as A into B plus C. That is 223 plus 77. A into B plus C. And now we should multiply this 8796 into 223 plus 77 is nothing but 8796 into 300. And now let us do the multiplication, that is 8796 into 300 is nothing but we will get 2638800, and this is the product for this multiplication. And now this number is not present in the given options, so none is the answer, that is D, none of the given options. That is option D is the answer. And now let us see next one. And now let us see the next question, that is the value of 112 into 5 power 4. That is, here we have 112 and this 5 can be written as, this should be done by easy process. Here 5 can be written as 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5 whole power 4. And now 112 into 10 power 4 is nothing but 10,000 and 2 power 4 is 16. And when we cancel this, 16 sevens are 112. 7 into 10,000 we will get 70,000 is the answer. Option B. 70,000 is the answer. And now let us see next question. Here we have 999 whole square minus 998 whole square. From this we have A square minus B square. A square minus B square is nothing but we can write it as A plus B into A minus B. When we do A plus B into A minus B, we will get 999 plus 998 is nothing but 1997 into this 1. We will get 1997, and for this 1997 option C is the answer. And this is the one of the model. Let us see another model, that is 489 plus 375 whole square minus 489 minus 375 whole square divided by 489 into 375, and it is in the form of A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square divided by A into B. And the formula for this we already know that A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is nothing but 4AB. And here already we have AB. For this AB cancel and we will get answer 4. It is very simple and option D is the answer. Now let us see next model, that is, and now here is the another question, that is 963 plus 476 whole square plus 963 minus 476 whole square divided by 963 into 963 plus 476 into 476. Here in this question, the question is in the form of A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square divided by a into a plus b into b, that is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square. Here, as we already know that the formula of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square. Here this and this get cancelled and the remaining the answer is 2. In the option we have 2 at option A, that is option A is the answer for this question. And here is the last question, that is if x equals to a into b minus c, y equals to b into c minus a and z equals to c into a minus b, then find the value of x by a whole cube plus y by b whole cube plus z by c whole cube. Now let us solve this. Here in the place of x we will distribute all these values, a into b minus c whole cube divided by a, that is y means b into c minus a by b whole cube plus z is nothing but c into a minus b by c whole cube, and here a cancel, b cancel and c is cancelled, and now b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube plus a minus b whole cube. When we solve this we will get, and when we solve this we will get answer 3xyz by ABC. From this option D is the answer. And this is about the some models of multiple choice questions. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.